So the game that I chose to integrate into my classroom is on abcea.com, and you can either log in through a family login or a class login, or you can just play for free. So you pick the grade level that you want to focus on, and I'm an elementary education major, so I'm focusing on any of these grades, but I'm going to choose second grade. And you can pick different categories, letters, numbers, holidays, strategy, or skills. And I'm going to pick numbers. And the game that I want to integrate into my classroom is balloon pop subtraction. And then how this game works is it's a visual game, so kids can see how subtraction works. So you have two balloons, and you just click on one and pop it, and so then you have the four balloons, and it says to take away two. So you pop two of them, and then it says to take away 0, so you don't take away any. And then you take away 2, so you pop 2 balloons, and you can check the answer, and the kids can see like how many are left, how many they got rid of. So it's just a more visual way to oh, I got one wrong because they had one. And then once they finish each round, so we'll finish this round, they have another activity that has more to do with cognitive development, whereas this has more to do with learning math and visually seeing it. So there's, as you can see at the top, there are 2 more dots left, so there's 2 more rounds. And then this is the last one. Oh, I lied, there's one more. So this is just an easy way to teach kids subtraction, and they can visually see how it works. And then if you do well enough, you can go to the bonus round, which has you pop all of like the even number balloons. So they have to look at the balloons and decide are they even or odd numbered, and then they have to click on them before they float away. So I thought this was a great game, and this is a really great website because there's a bunch of games and a bunch of different age levels and a bunch of different topics that you can use in the classroom. So I think this is great. This is a great resource for other elementary education majors.